Are you looking for the best 3D printer? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best 3D printer on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Qidi Q2. The Qidi Q2 is a reasonably priced workhorse positioned between serious hobbyist rigs and prosumer 3D printers. The Q2 is a fully enclosed, heated chamber unit that can print with a wide variety of materials, including engineering-grade filaments. Featuring advanced automatic leveling, it can print out of the box without requiring any tuning or adjustments. It is capable of producing good print quality, although it may require some fine-tuning for optimal results. 3D printing newbies. The Q2 is an excellent choice for beginners to 3D printing. It is a cinch to get up and running. With a large color display, its user interface leads you, step by step, through the setup process. Tinkerers, hobbyists will enjoy the Q2's ability to print with most any filament type, and its active chamber heating helps prevent warping. Also, Qidi includes its own slicer software, which you can tweak to resolve print issues such as Z-banding. Number 2. Elegoo Neptune 4 Plus. Looking to make big 3D prints for a modest price? The open-frame Elegoo Neptune 4 Plus 3D printer produces jumbo-sized prints, a rarity for sub-$500 3D printers, and in our testing, printed more than 20 objects of generally very good quality. It requires some basic assembly and enough table or bench space to house it, but setup and operation are easy enough. Be sure to add at least one filament spool to your order when purchasing the Neptune, or buy it in a bundle that includes filament. 3D printing beginners. The Neptune 4 Plus is ideal as a starter 3D printer for a newbie willing to roll up their sleeves. Some fairly simple assembly is required. As an open-frame 3D printer, the Neptune's workings, motors, belts, cables, print bed, extruder, and filament feed remain visible. Both assembling it and seeing it in action help a newcomer to better understand the 3D printing process. The Neptune is capable of printing large objects, and our test prints were generally of very good quality. Cash-strapped hobbyists. The Neptune 4 Plus is a good choice for a hobbyist on a budget. It sells for a modest price, it supports many filament types, and it can produce large prints. Number 3. Bambu Lab A1 Mini. The Bambu Lab A1 Mini is not only an affordable 3D printer, but also offers an inexpensive add-on module that can print with any or all of 4 different colored filaments, making multicolor creations easy. It generates high-quality prints at a relatively high speed, too. The A1 Mini is exceptionally easy to get up and running and continues to be problem-free while you're printing. Beginners. The Bambu Lab A1 Mini comes nearly fully assembled and is easy to set up and operate. It quickly generates good-looking prints and proved problem-free in our testing. The combo version that we reviewed includes an add-on module that can print with any or all of 4 different colored filaments, making multicolor creations easy. Budget-minded hobbyists. The A1 Mini is a superb choice for someone who wants a stellar out-of-the-box experience, simple operation, and some money left in the bank. The version we reviewed sells for less than $400, making it one of the lowest-cost 4-color fused deposition modeling (FDM) printers on the market. Number 4. Bambu Lab A1. The Bambu Lab A1 is the flagship printer from a company that helped pioneer filament-based multicolor 3D printing. It boasts a 4-color print capability, a large print bed, and an easy-to-switch nozzle system, all at a reasonable price. The A1 is easy to get going and offers excellent quality prints. Note that the A1 works with Bambu Lab's 4-color spool system as either an optional extra for the $399 base model or included with the A1 combo, which costs $559. 3D printing beginners. The A1 is a good fit for beginners. It is easy to set up and use, and comes at a reasonable cost. The A1 combo version, which we reviewed, adds Bambu Lab's 4-color spool system to the $399 base model, enabling you to get started with multicolor 3D printing. Hobbyists. The Bambu Lab A1 has much to recommend it to hobbyists and 3D printing veterans. It features a large print bed and is capable of producing high-quality prints. Number 5. Anycubic Photon Mono M7 Max. Fast, precise, and with exceptional automatic resin handling, The Anycubic Photon Mono M7 Max is a great choice for enthusiasts, hobbyists, and professionals seeking an SLA 3D printer for personal or business use. It can generate the smallest of miniatures up through exceptionally large models, with easy-to-use remote monitoring. Its excellent resin management works entirely behind the scenes, allowing you to get to the print quickly and cleanly. The printer's light source system easily handles the most stringent calibration files down to the 10-micron level with remarkable print quality. And it comes in at a very reasonable price for a 3D printer of its capabilities. Professionals. With a build quality that approaches industrial-grade standards, along with exceptional reliability and the ability to print fine details, the Mono M7 Max should appeal to professionals seeking a 3D printer for rapid prototyping and short-run manufacturing. Enthusiasts. With a sub-$1,000 price, exceptional quality, and innovative resin management features, the Anycubic Photon Mono M7 Max is a natural fit for artists, hobbyists, and anyone seeking a resin-based printer to quickly output high-quality prints. Because the M7 Max conceals its powerful technology beneath an intuitive and responsive UI, users can transition from unboxing to finished prints with minimal resin interaction.